In today's video, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to go create faceless YouTube videos, or really any video that is faceless, whether it be on TikTok, Instagram, or whatever, so that way you can start earning money by monetizing those platforms. So if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an open source AI platform that literally does everything for you. So if you take a look at the computer screen now, I'm at chat.openai.com, and this is where you can go ask literally anything, right? So sometimes it'll say, hey, I can't get into here or whatever because the servers are overwhelmed. If you want to mitigate that and not have that issue, you could always upgrade to the Plus plan. It's only like 20 bucks per month or something like that, which I highly recommend doing. But I'm not logged in at the moment. So it's totally free as long as the servers aren't overwhelmed. So you jump over here and you could literally ask anything. Like, let's take a look. What is 5 plus 5, right? And ChatGPT is going to answer it because it is artificial intelligence. The sum of 5 and 5 is 10. Awesome. Now you could ask it, do you know what an IUL is? And it's going to give me an answer, right? Yes, IUL stands for Index Universal Life, right? So it's just want to show you the power of this. But real quick, now I'm going to show you exactly how you will use this software tool to create faceless YouTube videos or any videos that you want to create, whether they're faceless or not, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So before I do that, I want you to go ahead and click the button, subscribe down below, and hit that like button and that notification bell so you can get notified. Every day we drop new videos on marketing and business. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So let's say we want to create a video on how to do affiliate marketing. So let's go over here and ask ChatGPT, can you create me a 60-second or we'll say what? We'll just do 60 seconds for now. 60-second video script for how to start affiliate marketing. And then you could do this for YouTube Shorts, right? YouTube Shorts, Instagram, any 60-second short form videos. And let's see what it does. And we asked specifically for 60 seconds. I could ask for whatever I want. Remember that. Be very mindful. It's limited to your imagination. But give him a second and he's going to come up and tell us exactly how he feels about our question. When you upgrade to the Pro plan, it will actually be faster because you're not on the same servers as everybody else. And here it is. It's going to spit it out for us here in just a second. Okay, now you can see it says, sure, here's a 60-second video script on how to start affiliate marketing. And it even tells you when to change the stock images in your videos. Because again, this is going to be a faceless video. So you want an opening shot of a person sitting at a desk with a laptop. Then it has the voiceover. Are you interested in earning money online? Have you heard of affiliate marketing? Open to another shot, change the image, right? Voiceover. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products, right? Cut to shot, voiceover, cut to shot, voiceover. What this allows you to do is it really allows you to scale your business by delegating the work. You could take this and you could go give it to your freelancer, somebody you hired, your virtual assistant, your video editor to go create the video for you. However, I'm going to show you how you could create the video yourself. And so this is showing you when to cut to different images and stuff like that. If you don't want to have all of that, what I would do is I'd copy and paste all of this. And you're going to take all of just the voiceovers, take them over, and you're going to want to take them to a website like Speechify. See, let's jump over back to the home page on Speechify. So here's Speechify. It's a text-to-speech reader, so you could get an actual voiceover, and you could pick the voice, the culture, the accent, right? So if you hit continue, you see we have. You have American flight, English female voiceover, English male voiceover, and then if you get in here, you can pick different ones, right? So Speechify is where you will use voiceovers, right? And you could get these from other people and they could read the text for you. And then from there, what you want to do is jump over to InVideo, INVIDEO.io. InVideo is going to be a place where you could take these voiceovers and you could go create stock videos, right? So you could come over here and you could do a text to video. So what happens is you come back to ChatGPT, you take all of your text, right? So we just take the text. Sure, here's the 60. Ooh, let's scroll down here. Take the text, copy it, come over to InVideo, and let's do a text to video, okay? You grab a template, whatever template you want. You could change the format of the template on the left, aspect ratio, right? Say I want portraits. Say we're doing YouTube shorts, right? I'm gonna grab portraits. Let's just say grab the first one. And then on the right, it says use template. Now I use template on the left. It just literally tells you exactly what to do. Write or paste your script on the left. Paste your script. Once you have it pasted, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna remove anywhere it says cut to add a shot of a person or what have you. You're gonna wanna remove the word voiceover. You only want your script and you wanna segment your script. So let's say we remove this, right? Remove the word voiceover. I'm not gonna do it for all of them, but I'm just gonna show you for a few. What you're gonna wanna do is you wanna make sure that you have spaces. So every time you slide, the slide changes, that's where the space is, right? So slide 1 of your stock image is gonna be right here. Then you put a space, slide 2, right? And so you wanna double space anywhere you wanna change slides, okay? So you remove all of that, and then you would come down here at the bottom. It says auto suggest images and videos. You could do the free ones and it could auto suggest, or you could deselect that, right? And you could create your own scenes. Whatever you want to do. If you don't want them to auto select it and you want to go pick your images, because it literally just told you what images to use, and then you would use stock images, right? Royalty-free royalty-free images, right? But let's just say we're going to let it auto suggest. You would just click create scenes and wait for it to set up your project, right? All right, now you can see your project is complete. You'll see on the left the different scenes every time you double spaced, right? You'll see it on the video right here. If we were to play the video, you can pretty much just drag and drop it. You'll see, are you interested in making money, right? This is scene 1. So you could select each scene independently, and you could design them however you want, right? You could edit it, you could create the image, right? You could add your logo if you want it. You could drag and drop your own media files. You could do whatever you want, right? So you could add it right here. But what was awesome is it did it by itself. It literally did it by itself, and you can go post this anywhere to create viral videos, especially in a niche that is where you just inform people like animals, or informative videos, right? Whether it be motivational pages. A lot of motivational pages do really, really well, right? Especially on shorts. So the next thing you'd want to do is come over here and you would do music, right? So you could upload your music, right? Any audio you want to put into here, you could pick music from here, or you just upload your audio that we just got from Speechify, right? So you came over here, you went to Speechify, you got audio, so you got voiceover. You can upload your voiceover to the video. Once you have completely set up your video and you designed your video, what you're gonna wanna do is smash that download button, and you're going to download the video, and then you're gonna go share it across your platforms, right? Whatever platform you're going to, I highly advise you do go set up a thumbnail. Let's say if you're doing YouTube videos, like we said, and you want to have a thumbnail, you come over here to canva.com and you can create free designs, like all kinds of templates, right? Just hit create design, and they have different things here as far as to different types of designs. Right here on what you'll design today, you can see different templates. Let's just say we stick with social media, and let's say we're doing YouTube. Just scroll through here. You could literally search it, YouTube. Templates are going to pop up, YouTube banner, YouTube, what are we going to do? Let's say a thumbnail, right? Say we're doing a YouTube thumbnail, and it's going to show you different templates, right? They have all different templates. You can just go here and click one that's free. They either have free or paid, right? You could upgrade your account. Canva's totally free. You can use the paid account if you want, or you can use the free account. Grab one of these. They'll say paid on it. If you want to filter by free, you can filter by free over here on the left. Scroll down, see price free. Filter it by free. You could create a blank one if you want, doesn't matter, right? And then you could also make these for shorts, right? You could do vertical, it doesn't make a difference. But if you want to create one of these, you just grab it and then you just start editing. It's a super easy editor. You just click it and then just drag and drop editor and pretty much click, make your thumbnail. Doesn't have to be fancy, right? But you want to get people to click on your stuff. So like earn more money, check this out, boom. And then you would download this, upload it to the platform you have, right? If you want to come up with a captivating title or description for any of your videos, just come back over here to ChatGPT. Can you create me a trending YouTube title for making money online? Sure, here's a training YouTube how to make money online. 5 proven ways to make money online in 2023 or $1,000 per month from home. Boom. And that's going to be good. So I'm going to use that for our YouTube video now. So if you like this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Like this video if you don't mind. Leave any comments below. We're going to be posting videos every single day to help you be better in 2023. See you in the next video.